Hola amigos. Welcome to the wonderful world of the Spanish verb tener. This little word is a powerhouse in the Spanish language. It's like a magic key that unlocks so many possibilities in your conversations. Imagine wanting to express having something, feeling a certain way, or even needing to do something. Tener helps you do all of that and more. In this lesson, we'll break down the verb tener. We'll explore its meaning, conjugation, and common expressions. Get ready to boost your Spanish fluency. At its core, tener means to have in English. Simple, right? But tener is so much more than just possessing objects. It's used to express a wide range of ideas and emotions. You use it to talk about your age, feelings, obligations, and more. So, while to have might be its literal translation, tener goes beyond simple possession in Spanish. Let's learn how to use tener in the present tense. Remember, Spanish verbs change their form depending on who is performing the action. Yo tengo frío. I am cold. Tú tienes hambre. You are hungry. Él, ella. Usted tiene sed. He, she. You formal is thirsty. Nosotros, nosotras tenemos sueño. We are sleepy. You all are in a hurry. Ellos, ellas. Ustedes tienen razón. They, you all are right. As you can see, tener is irregular. This means it doesn't follow the typical conjugation pattern of regular air verbs. But don't worry, with a little practice, you'll have these conjugations down in no time. Section 4. Common expressions with tener. One of the coolest things about tener is its starring role in many common expressions. These expressions add color and nuance to your Spanish. Tengo mucho calor hoy. I'm very hot today. ¿Tienes frío? Cierra la ventana. Are you cold? Close the window. Tengo tanta hambre que podría comerme un caballo. I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. ¿Tienes sed? ¿Quieres un vaso de agua? Are you thirsty? Do you want a glass of water? Son las 11 de la noche. Tengo mucho sueño. It's 11 o'clock at night. I'm very sleepy. No tengas miedo. Estoy aquí contigo. Don't be afraid. I'm here with you. Lo siento. Tengo prisa. Tengo que irme. I'm sorry, I'm in a hurry, I have to go. Tienes razón, eso es una buena idea. You're right, that's a good idea. Qué suerte tienes de estar aquí. You're so lucky to be here. Mi hermano tiene 20 años. My brother is 20 years old. Section 5. Practice makes perfect. Ready to put your tener knowledge to the test? Here are a few practice exercises. Repeat, nosotros tenemos un gato. We have a cat. 2. Ella tiene 30 años. She is 30 years old. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you'll become in using tener like a pro. Section 6. Mastering tener. Your key takeaways. Congratulations, you've taken a deep dive into the world of tener. Here are the key things to remember. It means to have, but it's used in many expressions. It's an irregular verb, so pay attention to its conjugations. Learning common expressions with tener will make you sound more fluent. Now, keep practicing, keep exploring, and keep using tener in your Spanish conversations. Hasta pronto! If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow Spanish learners. Nos vemos!